The following video will show you how to make selects on casting networks. To learn more about how to create a project and add a role, take a look at our Casting Networks Creating a Project and Adding a Role tutorial video. After you send your project out, you will begin to receive submissions. Let's first take a look at what these columns of numbers represent. You will see unviewed, or talent you have not yet viewed, viewed, talent you have viewed, and selects, talent that you have selected to potentially audition. You will also see scheduled, or talent that you have selected and then scheduled, callback selects, talent that you have selected to potentially be put into a callback schedule, callbacks, talent that you have scheduled for a callback, and booked, talent that you plan on booking for your project. Note that if you click on Scheduled, Callback Selects, Callbacks, or Booked, you will be taken to our worksheet view, which you can learn more about in our Casting Networks worksheet tutorial video. Let's click on the unviewed talent for this role to take a closer look. Here, you will see all of the unviewed talent submitted for this role. Underneath each talent profile will be the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You will also notice CB, which we will get to in a moment. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are select numbers, and if you click one, you will be selecting the talent. The numbers can mean anything you want. For example, 1s might be your favorites, 2s might be your backups, and 3s might be your maybes. Once talent are selected, you will then be able to put them in a schedule, which you can learn more about in our Casting Networks Building a Schedule tutorial video. You will also see CB, which stands for callback. Clicking this will move the talent directly into your callback selects. Let's take a look at the options you have next to each talent. Next to the talent's main headshot, you will see some viewing options. First, by clicking on this icon, you can take a look at the talent's resume. This will include their credits, special skills, and any reels or media they may have. Clicking on this Photos icon will open up the talent's photo carousel, where you can view all of the talent's photos. If this film strip icon is clickable, you will be able to view the talent's reel from here. You will also be able to view their skill clips if they have any. If you click this heart icon, you will be able to add the talent to an existing favorites folder or create a new favorites folder and add them into that. You can learn more about favorites folders in our Casting Networks Favorites folder tutorial video. Is this talent perfect for another project you are casting? By clicking this icon, you can add the talent to a role in another project. The talent will remain in the original role and project as well. And by clicking this icon, you can move the talent to another role in this project. Doing so will move them out of this role and into the new role. This Edit button will only be clickable if the talent is a Quick Add talent, which is unlikely since these talent have been submitted to the project. A Quick Add talent is a profile that you create for someone who is not in the Casting Networks database, if you are doing a real people casting, for example. If the talent has been submitted as overscale, this button will be highlighted in red. This means that the talent may not work for the specified project rate, and the rate will need to be negotiated before the talent is booked. Finally, this button here will show you the talent's audition history. So, if the talent has come in for you in the past, you will be able to see for which projects, see their size sheet photos, and even take a look at their auditions. You will also notice the Photo and Notes tab here. The page will default to photos being shown, but by clicking on Notes, you can view and edit the casting notes of a particular talent. Casting notes are notes that you or your assistants can make on specific talent. Note that only you and your company will have access to these notes. Just below these icons is this triangle icon. You can enter a permanent actor note in here, green if the note is favorable, yellow if the note is neutral, or red if the note is negative. Note that you and your casting company will be the only ones who can see these permanent actor notes. Agents and actors will not be able to see them at all. You will also notice a green play button on this talent's thumbnail. These will appear if you requested media submissions when you sent out your role. For example, if you requested that the talent include video of them riding a horse. Note that talent who have submitted requested media will automatically appear first in your unviewed column. When you are finished making all of your selects on a specific page, you can mark the page as viewed by clicking Mark Viewed. This will automatically move everyone that you did not select on this page into the Viewed column. You can always go back into Viewed and pick from there if you need to. All of the talent that you selected will be moved into the Selects column. Finally, let's take a look at the navigation and filter options. You can navigate between Unviewed, Viewed, and Selects from this dropdown. From here, you can navigate between roles. And from here, you can filter your submissions by agent, or by public submissions, or by agency list. By clicking on Notes, you can see all casting notes to the right of each talent profile. By clicking on Filter, you can filter your results. Maybe you just want to see all of the blondes, or all of the talent with hazel eyes. Just choose your options and hit Search. You can also search the database or your favorites folders and add talent to a role by clicking on this green Add Talent button. And on the right side of the page, you can choose how many talent you would like to display per page, and you can navigate to other pages from here as well. Again, once you have made all of your selects for all of your roles, you will be ready to start scheduling. To learn more about this, check out our Casting Network's Building a Schedule tutorial video.